All right, YouTube, have an unboxing video for you. This is a 8010 from Cold Steel. Great knife. Let's see what we have. I think I know what this is. Midway had a 25% sale, and they already had a really good price for this 3V Gurkha Kukri Plus. And the box says 3V, but you know what? The 4034 box also said 3V. So let's see what we got. So here's the sheath. Lots of grease, so that's probably a really good sign. Let's see if I can get some paper right here. I think it might rain on us. A lot of grease on there, but there it is. 3V Gurkha Kukri Plus. Let's see if it'll shave. And it feels like it's sharp. It's taking hair, but it feels like I could also tune up the edge as well. But man, I'm super excited about that. I've really enjoyed, you see a lot of hair right here on this side. I've really enjoyed my 4034 model, and let's see, Midway, they had a 25% coupon. It was like $350, but with 25% off, it was like $260, and I'm like, that's just too good to pass up. So I'm super excited about this blade. Really one heck of a blade as it is with 4034, but with 3V, it's just going to be absolutely awesome. So thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll have a use video with this soon. Thank you.